Everybody wants hacking tools, but real ethical hackers learn these 10 things before they ever touch a tool. And most beginners skip number 4. Most beginners think ethical hacking starts with tools. They want Kali Linux, Metasploit, Burp Suite, the cool dashboards, the terminal windows, the hacking aesthetics. But every real ethical hacker knows the truth. Tools are the final step, not the first. The foundation comes before the fireworks. So let's break down the 10 things every real ethical hacker learns first, long before they start exploiting systems. Number 1 is understanding how systems actually work. Ethical hacking is not random button pressing. If you don't understand how a system behaves normally, you won't recognize when it's acting strangely. You can't exploit a weakness you don't understand. So real hackers study architecture, processes, data flow, and behavior. Number 2 is networking. Every hack is either happening across a network or pretending not to. So you must learn IP addresses, ports, DNS, routing, traffic flow, and protocols. Not to memorize them, but to see the pattern. Once you understand networks, half of hacking starts making sense instantly. Number 3 is mastering operating systems, especially Linux. Ethical hackers don't fear the terminal. They understand file systems, permissions, processes, services, and logs. They know how to navigate and how to control the environment. Without this, you'll always feel lost and dependent on GUI tools. Number 4, the thing beginners skip the most is thinking like an attacker. Hacking isn't about commands, it's about mindset. Real ethical hackers constantly ask where assumptions break, where developers cut corners, where user behavior is predictable, and where a system trusts something it shouldn't. Tools automate attacks. Your mind creates them. Number 5 is research skills. Ethical hackers spend more time reading than typing. Vulnerabilities, documentation, CVEs, patch notes, white papers, bug bounty reports, write-ups. Half of hacking is learning from what others have already discovered. The top hackers don't guess, they research. Number 6 is basic scripting. You don't need to be a programmer, but you must automate tasks, parse files, write quick scripts, modify tools, and build small utilities. Python, Bash, or PowerShell, something that lets you enhance what you already know. Number 7 is reconnaissance. Real hackers never attack blindly. They map the target, fingerprint systems, identify versions, understand exposure, find weak points, and build a strategy. Recon is the difference between random clicking and real penetration testing. Number 8 is documentation. Yes, the boring part. Because ethical hacking is not just breaking, it's proving, explaining, and helping the system become stronger. If you can't write a good report, you can't work with companies, can't work in teams, and can't get hired. Number 9 is understanding legality and boundaries. Ethical hackers don't just avoid jail. They follow rules because rules protect them. Permission, scope, NDA, logging actions, and respecting limits. One mistake and you're no longer an ethical hacker. You're a criminal with a keyboard. Number 10 is the hardest one. Patience and discipline. Ethical hacking is not quick, it's slow. It's testing the same thing 20 different ways, trying angles, reading output, being stuck, trying again, and documenting everything. Most beginners quit here. Real ethical hackers push through. These 10 skills are the real beginning of hacking. If you learn them, tools become easy. If you skip them, tools become useless. You don't need to rush, you just need to build the foundation.
Like, share, and subscribe to Hack Only Evil for more real cybersecurity breakdowns that actually teach you something.